we'll ask you to do to clean your coffee machine is to take everything apart from inside the machine. You don't need the power on to be able to do this. So open the door. You can lift the lid. We're going to take the drip tray out. Pop this on the side. We'll then remove all of the mixing bowls by pushing the orange lever to the left, thumb over the top and pull towards you. And again the same. These can all be put onto your drip tray and taken away to be cleaned together so that you keep everything in one place. Unclip from the nozzle holder. We're going to take the hot water feed out, but we don't need to remove the pipe. Lift the little button on the nozzle holder and that will come off as well. Push your canisters back to remove the steam traps. If any of your canister nozzles are dirty, you'll also need to remove them by twisting and pulling towards you. Be mindful a little bit of product will be left in the nozzle. We can then take away all of the parts to be washed. We advise that you use something food safe, such as washing up liquid and warm water. We advise that you try not to put anything through the dishwasher as parts can be easily lost. However, the drip tray can easily be placed in a dishwasher for more effective cleaning. We will basically do the same in reverse. You will need to ensure that your product nozzles are dry before replacing them. All your nozzles will twist on. If something feels like it's going to break, try not to force it, as it probably will. We pop the nozzle holder back on. You can see where it wants to sit here. That will just slide into place. Replace your hot water in either one of the holes at the front. It's important you don't try and force this into any of the other nozzle holders, as this will snap them. To replace your steam traps, move your canisters out the way, place it in until you hear a click. You must also replace the steam traps before the mixing bowls, as you can't do it the other way around. Your mixing bowls in this case are colour coordinated, so red goes back to red. It's important that you keep the lever out of the way, ensuring that the water feed goes back onto your colour-coded water feed on here. Push at the bottom and lock into place. These go back in order, left on the left, centre in the centre and right on the right. Again, remembering that the coffee one has a restrictor on it, so it must be placed back in the coffee position. Replace your drip tray. And at this point, remember to open your product nozzles. You can then test that you've put everything back correctly by taking your orange power key, placing this in the front of the machine to turn it on, and then doing a rinse. If you've placed any of these back incorrectly, you will see it leaking into the machine. Take them off and replace them.